Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about how effective is Google AI Studio for creating websites. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some website design from Canva. I'm going to download that image as my uh, front page, I mean, front end. And I'm going to upload the same image into Google AI Studio where we have an option for code base. So when I upload and ask it to create a design, it should create an exact design that I wanted. So we can just modify as per we wanted when we ask it. So just wanted to ask or test the entire platform, how effective it is. So let's get started. So here I'm in Canva where we can create new website designs. Even in Canva, you can actually code, but uh, there are a lot of things it is asking, like domain name. For any website design, you need host and domain name that you can do. But I just wanted to have Google AI Studio version of it. So let's take something, a template. I'm just choosing a direct template in order to save the time. Okay. Mm, so let's go for a proper template instead of like going for any, was that image kind of, because we need to give image everything to it, the background, those things. So I want to get into that. So all I'm going to have is something which is uh, mostly elements. So let's see. Okay. Let's have a graphical designs probably to have. Okay. Let me go with no. I wanted something neat, and also an AI can generate code from scratch for it. I am getting same templates again and again. Oh, okay. So here it looks funky, and also template is proper to create every shape. So here is the one. Here it is a data search website title. Okay, let me put a title for this website, which is gallery. May have something for that. Arts, photography. And here let's have something for what is art is about. Poem. Okay. So let me have this thing. Okay. I'm removing this also. So I'm going to save the entire thing as a image, which is PNG file, downloaded as gallery. Yeah. Thing is, it's a video format, but I just downloaded as a PNG. Okay. There is this option in Google AI Studio where you can build. It is basic code base, which gives you an proper assist uh, that you can build your anything. It may be like application, or you can just ask for very error verification or something. We can ask to it. Okay, let me put the image here. Gallery sets. Yeah. So Can you, okay, can you develop, develop this, develop this image? Can you develop this image into a proper website? Uh, okay, that's all. Let me check how effective it is with this within just basic prompt. Yeah. Okay, it started. And we can actually see some of the conversation it is like doing by itself. They are calling it as a thinking. So if you see here, I'm currently focused on the website visual structure. So it is like understanding the image, like it is talking, discussing within itself. How beautiful it is. It's like human brain thinking, overthinking. Nice. So when you go to this AI thing, one second, let me go on to the home page. Here we have like plenty of options here. And if you're going for this bill directly, you have like asked to choose multiple options. I mean, you will have like multiple options like dynamic text, game using Gemini, Gemini powered code review. So even you can review your code if you're like allowed to. And made Imagine Pixel Art Maker. So this is their generating media. And I gave for this option start from a template. So it is doing the exact same thing. Oh, okay. Now we have this. Oh, okay. So we're not getting all the okay, let me review this. So on site, we're not having any of that. And select a category to generate new creation. Okay. So these things, okay, it understood the characters which I gave it as an image. Now I need some of the designs over here. Let me ask the model to create one. Can you give the exact design from the image also? It was there in corners. In this image, it looks empty. Can you make those changes? Defining shape position, analyzing structure and position. Wonderful. Let's see like how it is actually understanding what I asked. Okay, it has modified few things, but still I'm not seeing any images or the design, even a dot in corners. Okay, I think it's. Let me see the original image for. Okay, uh, okay. If you see here, these are the designs that I wanted, but it's not easy for a friend end to make. I think maybe we need to save it as an element or images so that we can just add those things in corners. Maybe that helps. I don't know. But okay. I don't think it's uh, maybe like people who work in front end may understand like how hard or easy it is to work with, or it is a uh, like win-win situation, or I don't know. For me, it is something very simple and not that applicable. The things which I expected, it is not like giving because the image which I gave is like a shapes, like complete shapes. It should have understood and give the not exact image, but at least the signs in side corners. Even I mentioned those things. Maybe I should give detailed prompt on this, but no, it's not that advanced. But to create, if you check on the colors and all, it is giving the exact colors which I gave. I don't like it read those things properly. But sides, I am like thinking it could have been like understood at least as a rectangular box or a square box. But that's okay. Like if any front end developers is watching this video, just comment below how good it is or how bad it is, or you expected more or less. So, yeah. See you all next video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.